welcome to this playlist. This playlist contains all you need to pass Ican case study. Yes, every single thing that you need to pass Ican case study. So over time, I've gotten questions from students where I was asked, which video should we watch first? What's the sequence? Which one should we watch next? You don't have to worry about that anymore because I've compiled everything. So I thought of creating a very lengthy video that will contain everything. So you just sit down for like 10 hours and watch it. But I was like, no, that would discourage you because you'll be like, I have too many things to do. So I didn't do that. So what I did was that I created a playlist and I compiled all the videos and I broke it down to four modules. So there are 4 different videos, but it's basically the combination of everything about case study. So I'm going to just quickly give you a breakdown of everything here. So I'm putting it up on the screen for you to see. So the 4 modules, the first one is the basics. So you actually have to know about the basics of case study, and in that particular module I will teach you about what case study is about, what of Ican case study. I'll teach you about the structure of the report. I'll teach you about internal and external reports, and it's very, very important for you to learn these things, and that's why I tagged it the basics, because base like foundation. Once you don't understand what that is about, it's going to really affect you, and I don't want that to happen to you. So that's why that first module is the basics. So the first module will be the first video in the playlist. So if you're like, playlist, please, what are you talking about? Go to the description of this video and you'll see a link. Just click on it to take you to the playlist. So a playlist is just basically a place where many videos can be added. So you just click on the playlist and you don't have to be going helter-skelter anymore. So everything is right there for you. So that's the first module. The second module is what I tagged the starting point. And the reason why I call it the starting point is because actually the beginning of your report. So that's how you start your report. And imagine starting your report on a very shaky note. It can disorient you and make you just all the little confidence that you had before to just fly out the window. So it's very, very important. So we'll cover topics like cover page, executive summary, the introduction as well. So those are the topics we're going to cover there. So this module will be the second video in the playlist. Then the third one is the financial analysis part. I know this is your 64 marks section. 64. It's very important. So you make sure you watch this particular module. And in this module we covered the financial statement analysis, financial data analysis, operational strategic analysis. So your requirements will be centered around these 4. So they could ask you 3 out of it, to ask you 2, as the case may be. So but then the requirements will not go beyond these 4 things, these 4 categories. And then finally, I actually created a module for other aspects, because it's not just enough for you to know about the basics or to know how to start your reports or to know how to analyze the report. There are other parts of the case study syllabus that is very important for you to actually ace the exam. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next prize winner. Yes, but you have to know this section, this other aspect, so don't neglect it. We have things like ethics, sustainability, which was just included in the 2025 syllabus. We have business reorganization and capital reconstruction, soft skills for accountants, technology skills for businesses. And in addition, apart from these 4 modules, I actually included a full report. It's actually a video in that particular playlist as well. So I just thought about it that, I've been building, you may just want to see how everything looks together. You understand? So you can watch that as well. And I also have another video where I just put additions, you understand, just things that will just help you out, and just, you understand, other things that would help, like time management and all of that. So with that, and on that note, head down to the description of this video and click on the link. The link will take you to the playlist. You'll see everything. You can watch them one after the other. Make sure you finish everything. It's going to help you to understand what case study is about. And if you have any question while you're watching any of these videos, you can always ask me in the comment section of that particular video, and I'll be there to attend to you. Alright, so I can't wait to hear your success story. Bye.